Don't buy a home gadget before watching this. Most people waste money because they pick the wrong one. These are the only 5 you should consider right now. All right, let's cut to the chase. This is the mini first aid kit, 150 pieces, waterproof, hard shell. Forget those flimsy pouches that fall apart. This one's built for real emergencies. What sets it apart? It's the sheer completeness packed into this compact, durable case. We're talking essentials for virtually any minor mishap, all organized and protected from the elements. Most kits skimp on bandages or basic meds, but this one truly delivers. So, who's this for? If you're a parent, a hiker, or just someone who believes in being prepared without the bulk, this is your absolute best bet. It's the smart choice for peace of mind. Now, the price. You'll find the link below, but expect to pay around $25. That's a steal compared to those $50 plus kits that offer half the supplies and none of the durability. Bottom line? A solid 4.8 stars. This is our pick for the best overall mini first aid kit. All right, up next in our budget picks is the 9-pack magnetic cable clip cord organizer. If your desk looks like a spaghetti monster, you need this. What sets this apart? The magnetic closure is strong, and the 0.3-inch diameter is surprisingly versatile, holding most standard charging cables without being too tight or too loose. No more fiddly clips that break or fall off. If you're tired of untangling every single cord every time you need to charge something and want a simple, effective solution, this is your pick. And the price? You're looking at under $15 for a 9-pack, which is frankly a steal compared to those fancy single clip organizers going for $5 each. With a 4.7 star rating, this magnetic organizer is a solid, no-brainer budget buy for anyone serious about decluttering. All right, up next in our Don't Buy Before Watching series, it's the Mr. Pen Vintage Sticky Notes. Forget flimsy paper that peels off walls. These are the real deal for anyone who actually uses sticky notes. What makes these stand out? You get a massive 12 pads, a total of 600 sheets. That's enough to keep your entire life organized for months, without constantly running out like those tiny 1-pad packs. Most brands charge an arm and a leg for even half this quantity. So, who needs these? If you're a student, a home organizer, or just someone who leaves a lot of reminders, this is your no-brainer choice. And the price? Currently, you're looking at under $15 for this entire haul. That's pennies per pad compared to the $5 you'll often drop for just 1 or 2 from other brands. With a 4.6 star rating and this insane value, the Mr. Pen Vintage Sticky Notes are a clear premium choice. Grab them before the price jumps. All right, product number 4. You need a place to stash your dry erase markers that actually works. This BEYGORM magnetic holder is that solution. Forget those flimsy plastic cups that slide off. This newest 2023 model features a serious magnetic grip and an anti-slip design that keeps your pens exactly where you put them, even on vertical surfaces. It's built to last, unlike the cheap junk you see everywhere else. If you've got a whiteboard that needs organizing and you're tired of chasing runaway markers, this is your pick. Seriously, no more clutter. Now, the price? You're looking at around $12. Compare that to some fancy branded holders going for $25 or more, and this BEYGORM is a no-brainer. With a 4.5 star rating, this is a total hidden gem that delivers. Grab it before the price jumps? All right, product number 5, the Ddaowanx gel pens. You need good black ink pens, plain and simple. These aren't your average smudge machines. They boast a super quick dry 0.5 mm black gel ink that actually lays down smooth and clean, without bleeding through your paper. Forget the frustration of smeared notes. This is about reliable performance. If you're a student drowning in lectures or anyone who hates messy handwriting, these are your new go-to. They deliver consistent results without breaking the bank. Now, here's where it gets smart. You're getting a 6-pack for under $15, while comparable sets from big brands can easily run you $25 or more. That's serious value. With a 4.6 star rating, these are a crowd favorite for a reason. For reliable, quick-drying black ink at a smart price, these are a no-brainer. All links are in the description. Check the current prices before they change.